Thank you for purchasing Tyranno electric scooter. This video will help you to assemble an electric scooter from unboxing. With side cutters, remove box straps. Use caution when pulling open the box. There will be lingering sharp staples. Removing staples from the box and properly disposing of them will help prevent getting cut if it's possible. Opening the box, remove the top foam padding. You will see the toolkits box. Inside you will find your charger, manual, hardwares, headlight. Remove the axle protector from the wheel. With side cutters, selectively cut and remove the zip ties that hold the front tire to the frame and then the handlebar. With a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the handlebar clamp from steering stem. Evenly position handlebar with the brake levers facing forward in the steering stem. And with a 4mm Allen wrench, attach the handlebar clamp over the handlebar. Evenly hand tighten and bolts in crisscross pattern. We will make final adjustments to the handlebar and control later when the scooter is fully assembled. Loosen both front wheel axle nuts to the ends of axle threads but leave nuts attached. This will give you more room and help you when installing the front wheel. Verifying that the axle is fully inserted in the dropouts while carefully aligning the rotor in the brake caliper. With a 15mm wrench, tighten axle nuts firmly. Carefully slip the front fender in between the fork legs. Take out the headlight, a 5mm Allen wrench and 10mm wrench. Use the long M6x45mm bolt, M6 washers and nut to install the headlight to the front of the fork crown while attaching the fender bracket to front of the fork crown. Snap together the headlight connectors. With a 4mm Allen wrench and 8mm wrench. Use the M5x16 bolts with the M5 washers to attach the fender struts to the lower fork fender brackets. With a 4mm Allen wrench to unscrew the nuts and washers that fix the rear fender struts. Align the rear light bracket and then screw the washer and nuts on again. Repeat the same work on the other side.